Said it's J to the A to the ESTYLES. It's J to the A to the ESTYLES. It's J to the ASTY to the. What's going on, y'all? It's J Styles back at it again with another video. Y'all can get into this look. It's a little smoky, but a little glittery, but a little fancy, but a little glam. Yeah, y'all, and I did my hair for y'all. What y'all think about my hair? Get into this gray. Get into these curls. You hear me? I did these curls for y'all. You hear me? No, I'm going out tonight. Alright, let me not mess them up. But yeah, I hope y'all like this video. You know, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know what you are interested in, what you want to see. If you want to see me do my hair, if you want to have a get ready with me, if you want a questionnaire, if you want to know how to do my brows, if you want to know what's my skincare routine, whatever you want to know, let me know. So I can know and I can do it for you. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, go ahead and get into this video. I don't want to chat too much longer. I gotta go and get some food because I'm starving. Okay? This process, okay, takes forever. You hear what I'm saying to you? Alright, but y'all go ahead and watch the video and let me know what you thought. If you hated it, well, I apologize for not wasting your time. Alright, we're about to get into this look. So I'm already primed my face with my NYX Primer, HD Primer. Now I'm just going to spray my beauty blender and go ahead and get my LA Girl foundation in the color, I believe, coffee. I'm going to go ahead and put that on the back of my hand for control and just dab my beauty blender in there and go to town. So pretty much I just want to go ahead and fill in every spot on my face and just go in and cover the dark marks on my face. Pretty much everywhere, so I can have a clean canvas. So when I put everything else on, my foundation is awesome. I'm so sorry how I look right now, y'all. Like, I have bangs with my hair, so I was like, I'm just gonna scarf it. I'm just gonna pull it back and scarf it. And you know, I look a little crazy right now, but I'm gonna look better later. So don't judge me. Don't judge me. So yeah, right now I'm just blending, and about to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. I'm just going to go underneath my eyes, the bridge of my bone, my nose, Cupid's bow area, underneath my cheekbones, excuse me, and the top of my forehead. I'm not really going to care that much about my forehead though because I got bangs, so I'm just going to, you know, whatever happens up there happens, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and conceal all of that. And next, I'm going to go ahead and end with my Airspun, yo, I'm going fast, I'm screaming. My Airspun transition powder, and yes girl, I set my face. This summer, honey, no games. I set it. I'm going in with my Bare Minerals brown powder as well, and just setting everything. So let's go ahead and slow it down. And I did my brows off of camera, and for me, they look alright, so we just gonna keep it going. And with my Anastasia Modern Renaissance palette, I'm just going to go in and use the shadows in there, and a Sephora palette and Morphe as well. So just going in right now with a transition color. It's just like a brown tannish color to just kind of set if anything that I didn't set with my transition powder. And yeah. Pretty much that's what's going on right now, and I'm about to go in with some color as well. Alright, as you can see, I was trying to pull up some color, but the brownish color wasn't really coming up. So eventually I go into a really nice plumish pink color. It was really, really pretty. So I was like, you know what, let me just go ahead and go in. Y'all, none of this was planned. I'm just in here freestyling. I didn't look up no videos for no like ideas. I just went right in and said, let me just make something up. that's the shades I'm using right there. I'm just trying to show y'all a little something. And I have a lot of lid space, so flips hair, honey, I'm blessed. But yeah, just going in on the inner tear duct area with that pinkish plum color and on the outer areas as well. I'm not really trying to be in the center too much because that's where I'm going to apply the glitter and the green glitter later on. Okay, so I'm just packing that on, making sure the color looks good and vibrant and evened out. Okay. Yes, so I ended up putting 2 greens on my lids as well, y'all. I must have lost the footage, my bad. But pretty much I just put that limeish green color on top for like a cool color when I close my eyes, and then the dark green is just the base for my glitter that I'm gonna apply. And right now I'm applying my NYX glitter glue right on top of that green. And that's where the glitter is going to go on both sides of my lids. Okay. Right, and just putting glitter on the other side, like so. All right, and so now I have my glitter, and I'm about to just take a brush and literally blend that in, just kind of press it in into the area that I put glue at. So we're just pressing it, and look how pretty that is. It's like a bluish, like green meets teal, and they had a baby kind of color, but it's so pretty, and it's just that pop that like my eyeball needs. So when in doubt, add glitter, honey. Add the glitter. Okay. So I'm just adding glitter on both sides, as you can see, and pressing that in. I think I put glitter a little higher on one side, but it's all good. It is all good, honey. It is still popping, honey. Okay. Okay. I'm screaming. Alright, so now I'm just taking out all that powder that I had on, just sitting there baking. I'm just wiping all of that away. And I'm going to go back in with my brown powder and go ahead and give my face some more life and some color. And after that, I'm going to do, I think, my lips. We about to find out together. You hear me? Yes, y'all. So I'm out here lining my lips with my Wet n Wild brown pencil. I'm just gonna line my lips while I decide what color I want to use on my lips. I'm just kind of contouring my lips. That's why it has like lines and stuff in the inside. Okay. Right, now I want to take my Fenty Beauty and Trophy Wife highlighter, and I'm going to go in and highlight pretty much my whole entire face, you feel me? So near my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead, on my cupid's bow, on my chin, underneath my eyebrows. Honey, we're a high in the light. We're a highlight, okay? Okay, so we're going to highlight all those areas, and of course after we're going to go ahead and brush on them a little bit and blend them in. That highlight on the forehead was a little cray, so I had to go ahead and get that. And you just kind of want to blend your highlight a little bit into your skin so it looks just a little bit more natural. Just a little bit. Not too natural, just a little bit. And these are the beautiful lashes that I'm putting on. This is Kish Lash. I think it's Beehive. This is the lip I put on off camera, but I didn't really like it, so I ended up putting NYX Buttercream on. It's more of a nude pinky color. I put that on off camera, but you'll see that when the finished look is finito. All right, so now I'm just putting that same color I have on my lid. I'm putting that under my eyes as well for some more dimension. And just for it to look a little bit more smoky. I am going out tonight, so I just want it to be a little bit more smoky. Okay. And just getting under there real good. Alright. Now I'm about to spray my face, y'all. Spray it up, spray it up. And you think that I'm all done? Yes, yes. But I'm not. I decided to add some more shadow underneath just to smoke it out just a little bit more. Okay, just some black shadow, just a simple black shadow. It's my Morphe palette. But just some black shadow underneath my eye to just have it a little bit more smoked. So we'll go ahead and do that. And then after that, it is a finito for sure. All right. And that's the finished look, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. Alright, well, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I hope you took this video in and thought it wasn't a waste of your life. But thank you so much. I'm going to try and be more committed to this. I want to try and be more consistent. I'm working on it. I'm working on it. Okay, sis, I'm working on it. You hear what I'm saying? But thank you so much for watching the video. Go ahead and make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed already. I have all my social media down and below in my link and my website for hair and makeup. I do hair and makeup as well. So just check me out and I'll see you on the flip side.